Hello students, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I am also fine, students. Today we will talk about our previous sessions. Tell me what you have learned in your previous sessions. We have learnt about day and night. You have learnt the concept of few and many. What will you say when you meet anyone in the morning? Yes. What will you say? Say good morning.
I say good morning.
Yes. Students, what will you say when you meet anyone in the evening?
I say good evening.
Right. Students, greet everyone when you meet any person in a day. Now, open your book I Can Achiever Level 4. Open page 52. Let us learn which activities we have done from morning to evening. Students, write the numbers in the order of happening from morning to night. Like, write the numbers. Firstly, we take bath. Then breakfast. We eat breakfast. Okay. Then we ready and go to school. In school, we read books. In the evening, we play. Then we go to bed. Students, say good night to everyone before going to bed. Now, open page 53 of your book. See the pictures. There are many activities and circle the odd one in each group. Circle the odd one. Right? Let us do an activity.
Good. This is a notebook. These are books. Students, let's learn the activity odd one out. See, what are these? These are pens. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But this is a pen, 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 pen. This one is pencil. This one is different and odd one out. Okay? Next. See, what is this? These are vegetables. Both are same, but this is different. This is odd. Odd one out. This is an odd. These are tomatoes, but this is an onion. Okay? See, what are these? These are colors. Which one is odd? Yes, which one is odd? This one. No. This one is odd. Okay? Which one is odd? This one. Yes. This one is ought. Okay. Let us see. Next. What is this? Book. No. Speak. This is a book. What is this? Yes. Book. This is a book. What is this? This is a notebook. Good. This is a notebook. These are books. What is odd? This. Yes, good. This one is ought. Okay? Students, after doing this activity, keep your things on proper place and you can search anything, your choice, and show to your parents. Mama, this one is ought.
Students, let's read the story Mona Meets the Moon. Mona told Papa one night to get me the moon. He said, "Yes, my child, I will do so very soon." One night he took me up the hill. We sat over there and we sat very still. The moon peeped out from behind the cloud. We looked at it and said this aloud. "Oh, look at the moon, smiling from on high, as white as milk in the dark white sky." Students, after doing your work, you should play. Play inside. Do not go outside.
Lovely. Who did apple? Speak loudly. Speak this loudly. Search it loudly. This is the foul. This is foul. My dad. Loudly. Oh, my dad. Oh, 20. Left. Black. 20. Lovely. Oslo one, then cut. Sorry. Okay. And
Students, after doing your work, sit with your family members and talk about the things you have learned in this session. Like you have learned about the activities of a day in proper sequence, story, Mona meets the moon, etc. Play with your friends and revise the rhymes. Brush your teeth twice a day. Students, play with your friends and revise the rhymes you have learned in your previous sessions. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.